Hi PCA family, this is Connie Hubble coming to you. If you are watching this, it must mean that you have a child in one of my classes, and I welcome you, and I welcome your child too. I wish that we could be together to get to know each other better, the students and I, but maybe that'll happen pretty soon. I hope so. So Language, Arts, and Humanities, that's the class that I'm talking about right now. We are doing something really different. We are studying the life and works, let me do this, the life and works of Dr. Seuss. I put this on today and the kids said I looked ridiculous. The life and works of Dr. Seuss. He is a very interesting man. Not only a great poet and illustrator, but he was also very political and had political messages. So we'll be looking for those messages that are still pertinent today in his books. We will look at his genius and how he connected things that you wouldn't otherwise know. The Cat in the Hat, one of the most brilliant books, really. He was challenged to write this book using only 123 words, which he did. But not only did he write a children's book, but he also used the work of Freud in it, talking about the id, the ego, and the superego. So we'll discover that too. There's a lot of depth to Dr. Seuss. We'll be reading, watching, writing, lots of different things this quarter, and I hope that the students will enjoy getting to know some of his works a little better. If you ever have any questions, please reach out and contact me. My email is chubble, C-H-U-B-B-L-E, @psdschools.org. Thank you.